We are looking at how rubber slippers are mixed, molded, pressed, cut, and shaped step by step in a large-scale rubber footwear factory.
The hot rubber compound is dropped from the Banbury mixer onto a conveyor, feeding the two-roll milling machine at 145 degrees Celsius.
As the rubber sheet cools on the conveyor belt, its thickness is carefully checked to ensure uniformity before moving to the hydraulic molding presses.
Once molded and pressed, the soles are moved to the trimming conveyor to be cut and shaped. The soles then pass under this heated embossing roller, which instantly imprints the logos and decorative lines.
The laminated soles now enter the heat fusion tunnel, where the colored rubber layer bonds permanently to the base. Next, the soles are placed into the hydraulic punching machine, which precisely creates the 3 strap holes.
The machine aligns 3 straps per sole, positioning them precisely above each hole in preparation for insertion. After inspection, the slippers move to the cleaning station, where rapidly spinning brushes remove any remaining dust and debris. Next, the packaged footwear is precisely labeled with size and barcode stickers before moving to the packing stage.
Here we see the automated packing station, where the finished slippers are placed into cartons by a robotic arm before being sealed.
The filled cartons now move to the automated sealing machine, where tape is applied firmly to secure them for shipping.
The footwear is finished, packed, and shipped step by step in this large-scale rubber footwear factory. The final step involves securing the packed cartons on pallets with a stretch wrapper, preparing them for shipment to the warehouse. The rubber slippers are finished, packed, and then shipped step by step in this large-scale footwear factory.
Once finished and packed, the rubber slippers are loaded onto trucks for shipment.
Bay 3 is fully loaded. Confirm manifest 222R for the Hong Kong shipment.
We need to ensure the mixing and molding numbers match the batch codes here.
Confirmed. This shipment is clear for loading onto the truck.
Mixed, molded, pressed, cut, shaped, strapped, finished, packed, and shipped, step by step in a...
The rubber slippers are mixed, molded, pressed, cut, shaped, strapped, finished, packed, and shipped.
From the initial mix to the final packaging, every slipper undergoes rigorous quality checks before being shipped globally. The massive cargo ship, loaded with thousands of cartons of rubber slippers, departs the port, bound for global markets. Once finished and packed, the rubber slippers are loaded onto massive container ships for their international voyage.
Bring it straight out now. Watch the top right.
Okay, setting it down, is that clear?
Yeah, perfect. Let's get the next one.
From the warehouse, the finished products are shipped out, reaching markets and stores across the region.
Wow, that looks amazing. All the colors really pop now.
The customers are already coming in. Great job.
Look at these new colors, madam. Very comfortable and a good price today.
How much for 2 pairs?
Only 100 rupees for you.
Come on down. Best slippers in the market. All colors, all sizes, right here.
Once finished and packed, the slippers hit the streets, becoming an essential part of daily life across South Asia.
Welcome, take a look. We have all sizes available. Yeah,
How much is this blue pair here?
that one is 15.
Worn by thousands across the city, The journey of a simple rubber slipper touches every corner of the community. Welcome to the largest rubber footwear factory in the world, where we oversee the entire process, from mixing to final shipment. Once the compound is ready, it is pressed into molds at extreme temperatures, then swiftly trimmed and assembled on the finishing line.
The process begins here, where raw materials are mixed and molded into high quality.
Mixed, molded, pressed, cut, shaped, strapped, finished, packed, and shipped step by step.